writing blame on blank pages.
Hi, welcome to the channel Dr. Essmat English. Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like to have all my videos uploaded. How to pronounce sound E. When the sound E is silent. Sound E is silent in the following words: table, close, suppose, the and the. We pronounce the definite article the when it's followed by a vowel. For example, the orange, the egg. While the definite article the is pronounced the when it's followed by consonant, like the house, the camera. Magic or musical E. Here we pronounce the sound is very long because it's connected with E. Let's have examples. Not. If we add E for this word, it becomes note. The sound O becomes O. E makes the sound long, so it's called magic or musical E, not note. Cut, cute. When, wine. Sound when it's followed by E becomes long. Iron, when, wine. See you soon.